Yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be a first episode where I'll be starting from the lowest basic. Yeah, I'll be starting from the lowest basic, or I'll call it the cheapest knowledge that I'll be giving out to you about the computer studies, and we'll go on building on that knowledge bit by bit, step by step, leading you through this journey up to the point where you're a professional computer user. Yeah, so let's dive in. So when you open your screen, the screen of your PC or your laptop, this is what you're going to see first. You'll have yourself accessing the screen, like the first display of the PC. This is called a desktop. Yeah, it's called a desktop. So when you open your PC, wait a minute, do you even know where your power button is? Yeah, I'm talking to those people who have just accessed PCs or are hoping to access laptops or computers. Yeah, in case everything is just new to you. Yeah, it's your first time to see a computer. Actually, it's your first time seeing a laptop. Yeah, it's your first time entering a computer lab, a cafe. All you should look for is the power button. Yeah, all you should look for is a power button to start the computer or to start the PC. You'll need to tap or press on the power button. Yeah, in case you don't know, like the indications on the power button, all you got to do is look for some button with a let me get you the sign of the power button, like what you're going to find at the power button. Yeah, this is it. You're going to find that most of the power buttons have this sign here. Yeah, you get. So in case you come across such a sign on any button on your PC, on your laptop, on your computer, this is what you tap, or I'll say this is the button that you press to start your computer. Yeah, when your computer starts, of course you'll have to have connected it on the power supply. Yeah, so when your computer starts, this is the screen that you'll see first. It's called the desktop. So here we have this PC icon, the recycle bin. For me, I have myself Adobe Avast Free Antivirus. Yeah, personally, I use Avast Free Antivirus, and I think it's better you have yourself some antivirus app on your PC, so to help you in case you have a flash. You insert a flash into your PC, you'll scan in case there is any virus. You have to remove it so that you're not disturbed in the future when you're using your PC. Yes, I have Firefox. Now this is a browser. I have Google Chrome, I have Microsoft Edge, and all these PDFs on my screen. So for those who will have attained their laptops or computers like for the first time, what I'm sure of is you'll find a recycle bin. Yes, you'll find a recycle bin. You'll find for some it will be my computer. For those using computers, it will be my computer, and those using PCs, it will be this PC. Yes. For some people, you'll find that this, like the start icon. To make it easier, I'll call it the Windows icon. Yeah, those using Windows 10, it will be this side of the left where you see where you see the 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, for those of Windows 10, it will be this side, and so Windows 11. Yeah, currently I'm in Windows 11. It will be in the middle section. Yes, good. So this time in here, but we'll find it here. So when you click on it, it will be opening up. So let me first fix this. A minute please. Yes, when you tap on it, it will open up like this for Windows 10. Show you some icons above here that are pinned in your, because some of them you'll be the one to pin them, and others will be there already. So I won't take you far. Yes, so we've learned how to start our computers. Yeah, learned how to start our computers. We've learned what the desktop is. Yeah. So what we're going to do next is learning how to shut down our computer. Yeah. Yes, we're going to learn how to shut down our computer. So as I told you, we're going to start with the basics. Yeah, so here I'll be teaching you the basics on this video. Yeah, how do you shut down your computer? In other words, how do you switch it off, leaving aside the other manual part where you press the power button for, I would say, about 10 seconds, and then your computer goes off completely. Yeah, leaving aside that. So I'll be teaching you some easier way, like comfortable way to shut down your computer or reboot your computer, or rebooting your computer or restarting your computer. So here's the way. You go and click the start icon or the Windows icon on your PC. It's always on the taskbar, yeah, down here. So for some people it's on the right, but it's always at the bottom. Yeah, it's always at the bottom. So you click on it. You can click once. Yeah, click once, or you can even double click. So you can see at the bottom here of this page. Yeah, let's call it a page. The page that comes after clicking the start button or the start icon, tapping on the start icon. So yeah, you'll see again, you can come across like the power button on your screen. You'll come across this power button. When you drag your pointer up to this power button, you'll see power. So you click once. It will give you options. Yeah. So take a look at these options. There is sleep, there is lock, shutdown, and restart. So you can choose any of your choice that you require at that moment. In case you want to restart your computer, in case you had some complications with your computer, here you can restart your computer. Yeah, you can click on restart and your computer restart at that moment. Yeah, so you'll find cases where you're trying to restart your computer and then it gives you some options because you've been running some programs on your computer, and then the computer will be in position to ask you whether to stop the programs that you've been running previously, or it will be alerting you that you've been running some programs, and then in case you have to restart, the programs will be closed, and then when you come back you'll have to restart the process of the programs that you've been running earlier. Yeah, so let's go to shutdown. So when you click shutdown, the computer will completely go off. Yeah, like when you're switching off your phone. So using smartphones, and then this button phones, when you try to power off your phone and it goes off completely. So this is the same thing that will happen when you shut down your computer. In case you're somewhere, you're going to do some work, you're done with some programs, and you can shut down your computer. And then if you want to shut down, you can come to this. Yes, let me do it again. Let's go back and come to this Windows icon or the start icon on your screen. You tap on it once to give you options, then you just come to this power icon. Yeah, and the options that you've been given, it will always be on the right. Yeah, on the right, the options given, even for Windows 11. Yeah, I think it's always on the right at the bottom. Yeah, you also tap on it once, gives you the options. Then you choose any of your choice that is compatible for you at that moment. Yes, thank you. Hope you've learned that. Yeah. So I think that will be nice if we go with that for today. I don't want to make long videos because every time the videos are long, they get boring. You get boring, and again you will forget what you've just learned. All you get to do is subscribe, like, then comment. In case you have any questions, you can comment, In case you have any suggestions, you can comment. I'll be available to go through all your comments, and I'll be also available to respond. Yes, thank you. Don't forget to hit the like button, and then don't forget to subscribe.